Hey everybody, Evan Schmidt, Product Specialist, Love Promise Coordinator here at Santa Cruz Subaru. Today's video is not going to be a how-to video. Today's video is going to be about auto start stop. And is it going away? If you're new to my channel, I like to make videos about everything Subaru, impart my knowledge and wisdom, everything I've learned over the last 20 years working here at Santa Cruz Subaru. If you get use out of the videos, please hit the little Santa Cruz Subaru wave right there. It really helps me out. Subscribe to the channel, like videos. I know everybody says that, but it really does help. It lets my bosses know that people get use out of the videos and let me spend time making them for you. All right, let's talk about it. Okay, auto start stop. So, for those of you who don't know, auto start stop is the feature where when you come to a complete stop, the engine turns off. The reason for this is when you're sitting at idle, the engine's running, you're wasting gas, and unnecessary emissions are coming out of your tailpipe. You do save a little bit of gas, a little bit, but this is something that's just on cars. Car companies put this on cars to get better fuel economy. The real reason they do it is they get a regulatory credit from the federal government to put this on cars. I've been with Subaru for almost 20 years, and this is by far the biggest complaint on any car. I've probably gotten more complaints about this than any other feature combined. Recently, this is in the last week or so, the Trump administration has announced that they are going to get rid of the regulatory credit, the incentive for car companies putting this on their cars. This has never been a mandatory feature on cars. Car companies did this just to get this regulatory credit. Now that credit is going away, the feature will not be banned on cars. The credit is simply just going away, so there's no more financial incentive for companies to put this in their cars. Now the Trump administration claims that this is going to save $3,000 per car, which is not true. The average new car price is $50,000 now, and $3,000 per car is 6% of the car's price. So there's no way by eliminating this feature will you save $3,000. That's just simply not true. What does that mean for Subaru? My personal feeling is Subaru is going to continue with this feature because it does save gas and it is good for the environment. Subaru is going to do it if it's good for the environment. In reality, what's going to happen is some companies are going to get rid of this feature, some companies are not going to get rid of this feature, but if something does happen, we're not going to see this change for several years, several model years, I should say. Because people just don't understand, you can't just remove a feature from a car. There's a lot of planning, a lot of it goes into taking or adding just a little feature. So this is going to be something that we're not going to see right away. We might see it in 2027 models, but most likely my feeling is Subaru's not going to do this at all. Subaru has been very tight-lipped. They're not giving us any information whether this is staying or leaving. My gut is just that Subaru's going to keep it. So this new ruling by the Trump administration will have no effect on what's going on. And as we all know, things could change in 3 years. So I think a lot of companies are going to do a wait and see because there's a really good chance that this credit will return if the administration changes. All right, so for all of you who were hoping auto start stop is going to be gone forever, probably not the case. All right, thanks for watching.